tab, but that's not it. There's more. Yeah, I said more. Not like 10. It's close to 10. It's actually 8. Yep. But we'll do that for another episode. So, this is the LCD tab. You could use this for painting, for graffiti, for practice, and for calculation. Like literally anything. For anything. This is for babies, for kids. But still, you could use this. I'm still an 8-year-old, but anybody could use this. Okay. And behind there's wait, how many LCD tabs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 different kind of LCD tabs. There's a red one, there's a black one, a green one, a white one, and a blue one. But I think there's a teal one or a green one. Okay. You could literally draw anything in it and do it for practice. I got a teal one. Let's take this out. Wait. How? Okay, wait. The fancy packaging. Oh my gosh. No. What's happening? I'm so funny. Okay. I'm kind of struggling right now, but it has a fancy packaging in it. I really like these kind of paper. It's not like Styrofoam, but it's so soft. Okay, and this is a teal LCD tab, which I was hoping for, but you might kind of struggle trying to get the pen out, but I'll try my best, okay? It's probably blank. It's so blank. Yeah, it's very blank, but if you take this pen and draw in it, it's not at all blank. If you did a mistake, just redo it again and press this. Bleep, bleep, beep, beep, and do that. Okay, now how do you take the pen out? Yeah. Wait, I haven't realized there's a big opening behind it, but this is such a weightless tab, not like a laptop. It's very heavy. My mom's laptop is very heavy. But also a 5-year-old or a 3-year-old could hold this. Anybody could hold this, even an elephant. I'm just kidding. Okay. Oh, there's a big gap there. I haven't realized it. You just have to push here, oh, it comes out. Okay. Oh, oops. Okay, let's draw. It works! Okay, I'm going to draw a tree. My very own tree, okay? It's kind of hard. I feel like I'm breaking the laptop, but no, I'm not. It's so beautiful. It's coming like in a light way and then it's coming in a dark way. I really like that. Okay, I'm trying to draw a Christmas tree, but I'm not that good, okay? I'm not that good, but don't judge me, okay? I'm just going to draw a heart. Yeah, this is very useful, and you could use this you could draw inside also. Yeah, it's not even damaging the tab. Like, see, it's not even damaging the tab. Yeah, it's not even damaging the tab. Like, it's very useful, and you could do tables in that. Yeah, you could draw like your signature. That's not really my signature, but my signature is this. My handwriting is not that good, so please don't judge me. Only in the laptop, but I'm very good at paper. What? Oh my god, why do I have to always redo this? Oh, the second thing, the third thing or the second thing I didn't realize, that they have multicolors, not just like one color like a pencil. Like, that's just so boring, right? I wish we had this in the schools, because it's not even bad for our eyes. Like, this is not this piece is not even hurting our eyes. Okay, but this is my signature, you all know, actually. And see, to yellow, to greenish, to light teal, to blue. And I'm going to add a little heart just to make it cute. Then you can literally draw anything, like literally anything. Let's go on the next thing. Woo! It's so cool when you press this button, it's immediately erased. Okay. And the second thing, if you actually do a mistake, like if you scribble and just in one touch by this button, it shows a trash can, I know, but just press it, everything is gone. Everything's gone. Like, it's so cool. Like, this is so useful for anything. It's not just a plain old black pen. It is every color. Like, see. Oops. See? Every color. I did say, wait. See, every color. To yellow, to greenish, to teal, to dark blue. See? It's absolutely useful. And just by one touch, you could finish it. Just in one touch. And if you want to save it, just take a picture. That's all. That's it. And this also have batteries, but you don't need to be like the phone, like like a remote, how a remote finish the battery very quick if you watch a TV like literally for the whole day. Yeah, same thing. But this, you don't need to exchange the batteries. Just like a lift, that's the most terrifying thing for me. But really, but you don't need to exchange the batteries for it. Just like a lift, same thing with this. Just for a tiny, small object. Okay, let's get into the next one. Bye! Make sure to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's behind me right there. Just type AK7DOLLTV. Yeah. So see you all guys tomorrow, or which country where you are. See you guys tomorrow and subscribe to my channel, and bye!